Hey, welcome to this first demonstration of Autotile. This is a series of 3 videos. In the first video, I will show you how to set up a project and create a few connected tiles. So, first thing I'm doing now is just creating a new project, usual way. So, oops. Let's create a new folder. Like this. And now we have a clean project with no assets, and I'm going to import the Autotile package. It's a standard Unity package. So going to import package, custom package. Now already downloaded mine. You can get it on Unity as a store, or you can, if you're familiar with Bitcoin, you can go to raingames.com/autotile and you can download it from our site. So I already have it here, just importing it. It has very few scripts and some tile sets already set up, just so you can see what they're like. And these are mostly icons for the GUI. So now your asset folder looks like this. Autotile has created folders in gizmos and plugins and plugin/editor. So these are the 3 folders that will be introduced. And one important file for Autotile is this one, tile sets. This is where you configure all Autotiles. But first, I will show you how to use them. So let's just create a new game object with Autotile. So create other, and here we have 2 new choices, Autotile and Autotile animation. So let's try with Autotile first, see what that's like. So this is one. The thing is that you can, when you scale these, they will choose new textures like this. So this is now configured in the tilesets file, so it knows what textures it needs to have in all the cases except this case. You can configure yours better, of course. And fun starts when you start having more of these. So I'll add another, and this time we'll try to use the shortcut Control-T. There it is. Oops. This is our new tile. Autotiles can be connected at the corners. So if you see how they scale, the corners are always are not being scaled. It's just the part in between. So at the ends, this is where you can connect tiles to each other. So I can take this one, just drag it over another tile like that, and it's connected. And when I scale or move it, other tiles will try to, while moving as little as possible, will try to still be connected. So they will resize a little bit and try not to introduce changes that that could how do you say, changes that introduce changes. So we want as few changes as possible without like breaking the textures. So let's do a few more just to see what we can do now. Auto tiles also have the ability to have a different offset, so that this now has built a mesh that is inside its own scale. The mesh is actually 1 in width and 1 in height, but it can be offset so that it's on the edge instead of around the center. So that will be like that. It's easier to work with. If you don't want to introduce changes in a certain direction, you can put the offset there and do like this. Okay. And if you want a tile that doesn't force a corner in one or the other direction, you can use this drop down here, and for example, say I want to remove the bottom corner now. It will still be the same length, but it will not do corners at the other end. So you can do this if you have levels that needs to look like they're connected with 2 tiles that needs to look like 1. You can do this. Or yeah, any other reason that you might have to not have a corner. So and they will actually remove corners automatically at the joints. So otherwise, this corner would have I would have had 2 corners here, but it knows, AutoTile knows that there is a corner there already, so there's no need for more of those.